What if I told you that the size of your paycheck doesn't have to dictate the size of your future? It's a tough pill to swallow when bills are piling up and your bank account looks more like a cry for help. But what if the key to financial freedom isn't earning more, but mastering the money you already have? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing 5 powerful tactics that will change the way you see your income forever. Tactic number 1, the pay yourself first mandate. This is non-negotiable. Most people pay their bills, buy groceries, and then see what's left to save. We're flipping that script. The moment your income hits, before you pay a single bill, you move a set amount into a separate savings account, even if it's just $20. This isn't a suggestion, it's a command you give your money. It rewires your brain to prioritize your future over your immediate expenses. Tactic number 2, the expense autopsy. Next, we conduct an expense autopsy. This sounds grim, but it's where you'll find buried treasure. For 1 month, track every single penny. And I mean every penny. That morning coffee? Log it. That subscription you forgot you had? Log it. You'll be shocked. Is your phone bill secretly a vampire draining your wallet? You have to look at the gory details to find out where your money is truly bleeding out. This isn't about shame. It's about awareness and power. Tactic number 3, embrace intentional deprivation. This is where we get strategic. It's called intentional deprivation. Now, this doesn't mean living like a monk in a cave. It means choosing specific areas to cut back on ruthlessly, so you can spend guilt-free on things you truly value. Hate cooking? Maybe you cut your clothing budget to 0 for 2 months to afford healthier meal kits. It's about making conscious trade-offs, not feeling poor. What's one thing you could temporarily deprive yourself of to fund something more important? Tactic number 4, the 24-hour rule. Here comes a simple but life-changing one. Tactic number 4, the 24-hour rule. See something you want to buy that isn't a necessity? A new gadget, a pair of shoes? Don't buy it. Wait 24 hours. This simple delay short-circuits the impulse-buying part of your brain. That jolt of, I need this now, often fades into, I guess I can live without it. This tiny pause can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over a year. It's your secret weapon against clever marketing. Tactic number 5, automate your escape plan. Finally, our last tactic, automate your escape plan. We've talked about paying yourself first, but let's put it on autopilot. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account the day you get paid. This removes willpower and forgetfulness from the equation. Your savings grow without you even thinking about it. It's like having a secret financial advisor working for you 24/7, building your nest egg while you sleep. This is how you build momentum and make saving feel effortless. So there you have it. 5 tactics. The pay yourself, first mandate, the expense autopsy, intentional deprivation, the 24-hour rule, and automating your escape plan. Saving on a low income isn't about sacrifice. It's about strategy. It's about taking control and telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. You have the power to change your financial story, starting today. If this video sparked a fire in you, help us spread the light. Don't just subscribe. Tell me in the comments which tactic you're going to try first. We read every single one, and we're building a community of drivers here, not passengers. We post a new video every single day to fuel your journey. Now, if you're ready to level up another area of your life, check out the video on the screen about I woke up at 5 a.m. for 30 days. Here's what happened. The results were unexpected. Click it now, and let's keep driving forward.